Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, we're starting off with shelf installation using pre-stained butcher block. I love the richness of this Espresso-Stained, and for $120, this was a cheaper and quicker option than Bernard building them himself. Originally, I wanted floating shelves, but these heavy-duty shelf brackets were much easier to install and have a minimal design that I really like. I think the black steel pairs well with the espresso shelf, and the best part is each bracket supports up to 100 pounds, so I feel pretty confident storing anything on those shelves. I linked the brackets in the description box below. Next, Bernard got to work on the 3 drawers I included in my storage design. He started by routing 3/4-inch grooves into the pre-finished plywood pieces. Then he created pocket holes using a pocket hole jig and secured them all together with pocket hole screws. We ran out of plywood for the drawer base, so to keep productivity going, we pivoted to working on the face frame build for the luggage and cleaning supplies cabinets. This was quite the struggle for Bernard, and you'll see why. So his initial plan was to attach all the pine boards using pocket holes and pocket hole screws. But after the first successful attachment, the rest just weren't holding as tightly as expected. His next attempted method was using his biscuit joiner to create these thin grooves in which he inserted a biscuit with wood glue. That only worked for the perimeter pieces, which were wide enough to accommodate the biscuits. The rest of the pine boards were attached using a dowel jig to first create these small holes in the wood. Then Bernard inserted dowels into the holes with some glue to better secure the pieces. This particular face frame was probably the most challenging one Bernard has built so far, but it was worth it when you see how perfectly it fits and hides all those rough plywood edges. I kept it simple and asked Bernard to paint the face frame using light granite by Behr, which is also the wall color in our Under Stairs storage space. Before Bernard attached the drawer base, he decided to install the drawer slides and drawers first, just to make sure they fit and align as expected. These are soft closing drawer slides, which are from the same brand as our Under Stairs pull-out drawer slides. With the drawer fit and spacing verified, Bernard then removed the drawers to install their bases using a combination of wood glue and screws. Lastly, the freshly painted cabinet face frame was installed and the fit was chef's kiss. Next week, I'm going to try to get a video up showing the pole wrap, countertop, and tile installation, which are the design elements I have been excited to see come together. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.